Did somebody say McDonald's French fries? There are few culinary experiences as universally adored as biting into a perfectly cooked French fry. When it comes to these golden, crispy delights, McDonald's has set the gold standard. Their fries have achieved legendary status in the world of fast food, captivating taste buds and leaving a lasting impression on millions of customers worldwide. Today, we delve deep into the secrets that make McDonald's fries so incredibly yummy and good. It all begins with the potato, a humble yet versatile vegetable. McDonald's knows that to create exceptional fries, one must start with exceptional potatoes. Quality is key, and the company spares no effort in selecting the finest. For their fries, McDonald's primarily uses the russet Burbank variety, known for its high starch content and ideal frying properties. These potatoes are cultivated under strict quality standards to ensure that only the best make their way to the fryer. It's a testament to McDonald's commitment to delivering a superior product. Once the perfect potatoes are selected, they undergo meticulous preparation. This process includes peeling, where the skin is carefully removed to ensure a uniform appearance. The potatoes are then cut into the iconic slender sticks that we all know and love. What sets McDonald's fries apart is the precision applied during this step. Each fry is cut to nearly identical dimensions, guaranteeing consistent cooking and a uniform texture. This attention to detail may seem excessive, but it's a crucial part of the McDonald's fry experience. Now let's talk about the magic that happens in the fryer. McDonald's fries are cooked to perfection using a specialized blend of oils. The oil's exact composition is a well-guarded secret, but it's carefully chosen to enhance both flavor and texture. During the frying process, something extraordinary occurs. The natural sugars in the potato caramelize, giving the fries that irresistible golden color and a sweet undertone that balances their saltiness. This combination of flavors and textures is what makes McDonald's fries truly exceptional. It's not just about the potatoes and frying. The seasoning plays a pivotal role in making McDonald's fries so delectable. They are lightly dusted with a precise amount of salt, and it's this sprinkling of salt that elevates their taste to a whole new level. McDonald's strikes the perfect equilibrium, making their fries irresistibly flavorful. Beyond the fries themselves, part of what makes them so yummy and good is the entire McDonald's experience. Stepping into a McDonald's restaurant is often accompanied by a sense of anticipation. The familiar scent of fries wafts through the air, igniting your taste buds before the first bite. Did somebody say McDonald's? Whether you're dining in or going through the drive-thru, the cheerful atmosphere and friendly staff enhance the overall enjoyment of those fries. It's an experience that transcends generations and brings people together over a shared love for McDonald's. McDonald's French fries have achieved something remarkable. They've become a global icon. Regardless of where you are in the world, you can walk into a McDonald's and expect the same consistent, mouth-watering taste. That's why McDonald's enjoys such universal love and popularity. And let's not forget that McDonald's fries are remarkably affordable, making them accessible to a diverse range of people. Lately, there has been a growing awareness of health concerns related to fast food. McDonald's has responded to this by offering healthier alternatives, including side salads and apple slices. While these options are certainly appreciated, they haven't overshadowed the enduring appeal of those fries. Additionally, McDonald's has embraced customization. The availability of various dipping sauces, from classic ketchup to tangy barbecue, adds another layer of enjoyment to the fries. Whether you prefer to dip, drizzle, or savor them plain, McDonald's fries cater to individual tastes. The story of McDonald's fries is also a journey through history. These iconic fries made their debut on the McDonald's menu in the 1950s. Since then, they've evolved and become an integral part of the fast food landscape. McDonald's has launched numerous advertising campaigns that celebrate the fries, cementing their status as a beloved classic. One of the most iconic slogans associated with McDonald's fries is "I'm loving it." But perhaps, in the spirit of sharing the love, we should say, "We're loving it." This simple phrase encapsulates the sentiments of millions of fry enthusiasts around the world. It's not just a catchphrase. It's a declaration of love for a culinary masterpiece. The allure of McDonald's fries lies in a combination of factors. From the careful selection of quality potatoes to the precise preparation, frying, and seasoning, every step contributes to their irresistibly yummy taste. But it's not just about the fries themselves. It's the entire McDonald's experience, the universality, and the accessibility that make them truly special. So, the next time you find yourself craving something yummy and good, consider treating yourself to a box of McDonald's fries, a culinary masterpiece that continues to captivate the hearts and taste buds of millions. And remember, whether you're enjoying them on a sunny day or savoring their warmth on a rainy one, McDonald's fries are more than just a snack. They're a delicious, time-honored tradition that brings joy with every bite. So, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and enjoy this next video on how salmon is processed.